watch out, cause I'm here now and I'm staying. Claws out, this the fight that I've been craving. I know there's something inside of me, but it's been masked by fear and anxiety. But no more, I'ma break out of the chains. Let's defiantly. Go! I'm waking up, this ain't enough. All of my dreams were starting to rust, but I believe that I can adjust. Positive thoughts, I'm starting to trust. Nothing's deserved unless you work. Something of worth requires an urge. I have been hurt by those at their worst, but that gave me will, some power, a surge.
And they know that I won't surrender, so they fear me as a contender. When I fight, they always remember, yeah. I will be known, I won't let go. I will not stop, I will be great. I will be known, I won't let go. I will not stop, I will be great. 'Cause we came here to conquer, fighting like we're monsters. We can last much longer, 'cause we do this for honor. We came here to conquer, fighting like we're monsters. And we can last much longer. I am a hunter, I've been filled with demons and hunger. I am the thunder, I command the masses in numbers. Look at the fear in their eyes, this is what happens when you are surprised. It's time to meet your demise, just call me Zeus and look to the sky. Everything's amplified, no they cannot deny. I will be rectified if you dissect me. Find scar tissue left behind, injuries that define me to my core. They'll hear me roar like never before. The pain I absorbed, it's feeding my core. I'm hard to ignore, I'll beat down your door. If you wanted war, well then you got war. And they know that I won't surrender, so they fear me as a contender. When I fight, they always remember, yeah. I will be known, I won't let go. I will not stop, I will be great. I will be known, I won't let go. I will not stop, I will be great. 'Cause we came here to conquer, fighting like we're monsters. We can last much longer, 'cause we do this for honor. We came here to conquer, fighting like we're monsters. And we can last much longer. I've been okay, yeah. I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer for a visit. We just right now in the moment, so we live it. I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been getting down with this girl for a minute. Moving all around with this girl, gonna miss it. Living right now for the memories, let's get it. We know how to have a good time. We drinking all night in the summer when the air's nice. Every day is a new life, we live it so right. Skinny dipping by the poolside. We know how to have a good time. We're drinking all night in the summer when the air's nice. Every day is a new life, we live it so right. Skinny dipping by the poolside. We just had a sipping, drinking, smoking on some medicine. And we like to have our parties leaning towards the feminine. Always rep our city cause you know we from the west side. Always keep it filthy cause you know we from the best side. Bitches always knocking on my door and yeah, let them in. Cause the ladies know that I'm a motherfucking gentleman. Only worries making music and I let the rest slide. Keep on doing what I love until the day I must die. Late nights, late shows, ladies in the front row. Wanna take her back home, tour bus all alone. Adding me on Snapchat, yeah, kinda like that. Sending me your fine ass, helping with the time pass. Bright lights, face notes, always on the toll road. Back to back we stole shows, this'll never get old. All in different time zones, need to pay back my loans. Cause the girls I buy for, always wanna buy more. I've been okay, okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer for a visit. We just right now in the moment, so we live it. I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been getting down with this girl for a minute. Moving all around with this girl, gonna miss it. Living right now for the memories, let's get it. We know how to have a good time. We drinking all night in the summer when the air's nice. Every day is a new life, we live it so right. Skinny dipping by the poolside. We know how to have a good time. We're drinking all night in the summer when the air's nice. Every day is a new life, we live it so right. Skinny dipping by the poolside.
Hand me the tequila cause I'm feeling like a Mexican. Chasing with caffeine, now I can feel it, my adrenaline. I'll be drinking, doing this until the day I must die. Never gonna doubt that I know how to have a good time. When it comes to life, you gotta balance all the ethics and take a risk or you will miss and pass away regretting it. I just wanna look back and remember all the good times. Fill my life with memories of late nights and some good times. Big stage, big crowd, everybody get loud. Backstage in the south, up north in the clouds. Losing every bit of doubt as we overcome the drought. We just party so loud, cause we made it somehow. Tank top, snap back, yeah we run it like that. Reppin' suits to make cash, yeah we never look back. G6 in the sky, yeah we like to fly by. Lambo so tight, yeah we like to drive by. I've been doing this shit day in, day out. Got me on a new grade, fade in, fade out. Play me for the new kids, they need saving. Fuck all the cool kids, they complacent. Me and you will never be the same adjacent. I'll be on a new wave down in the basement, making anything that I feel to a statement. Flipping those words, transform to a payment. Take all the pain, turn it into gain. Take all your thoughts and flip them to insane. Push all your limits, there ain't no restraints. Cause bitch, we're going hard today. For the girl in the back room, she been looking hard, long hair and the tattoos, rocking that skirt, yeah, dean of the classroom, stay here to learn, teach me how to crack you, she be with the hard work, damn, she a starter, I could be smarter, I could work harder, I could go farther, I could be sharper, take all my pain and flip into a monster, welcome to my roster, just another foster, we gon' make it harder. No, I don't need a spotter, I just need whatever gets me to the next dollar. Turn the bass up to the back fucking ears, it. Turn the bass up till we all lose hearing. Lose myself for a second, no fearing. I don't need help in the stage, now I'm steering. Take all the pain, turn it into gain. Take all your thoughts and flip them to insane. Push all your limits, there ain't no restraints. Cause bitch, we're going hard today. Maybe I don't know what I need. I want you to lie next to me. And I want you to know that, baby, I need you to know that I believe in you. Cause I've been looking for a while, trying hard to find a smile, and I need you.